Do you know what that is?
It's a little faster and it's very light. And you can see we have both of these are Western. Alright, so now you're ready. You just hold it. I was just gonna and you're just tall enough to. There you go. Big thing, to be honest with you, it's not too much about your stirrups. The big thing, core tight. You're gonna wrap your legs around, like, you know those Boso balls at the gym? That's okay. Just think like you're sitting on that. There you go. Yeah, core tight, chest straight, and basically I want you to have a big breath because then you'll kind of chill out a little bit. Feel better? We're done riding. They want to go outside. There you go. You never know the bird right. Right? How you feeling up there? Good. You see what I'm talking about the quarter straight though? You don't wobble, especially if you it's okay. I might do that as well. Just as position is a little bit okay. So we might have this. This might be a lot. Yeah, come on, this front. Come in a picture of the front. There you go. Some horses take that as a thing to go, believe it or not. Yeah, so you got lucky there. Yeah, I think he's
So cute.
yeah, he's like, I'm still going. I know you're a good boy. Now, I know you saw again. So hold the saddle. Lean forward and see what happens.
Amazing. You did so.
Oh, she's so soft. Yeah. You guys see how relaxed she is though with the hugs?
Aww.
Actually, wait. Oh. Is it? He likes that, right? But he might actually just like us. Any day of the week. It doesn't smell as bad as dog poop. If you think about that much dog.
Look at this pretty lady. This is Arya. Hi, you're pretty. Look at the bangs on this guy. You have a nice haircut.
You should see the police horses.
But he is full grown. Oh my god, you're scared. And you're gonna see Luna in a second.
Hey, pretty guy. Yeah. Hi, pretty guy. Taking a selfie.
Does she need help with the saddle?